In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV while abroad. If you're traveling or living outside the US, this guide will help you access YouTube TV and stream games seamlessly. Let's dive in. To watch live football on YouTube TV while abroad, you'll need a virtual private network, VPN, to bypass geo restrictions. Start by subscribing to a reliable VPN service like ExpressVPN or NordVPN and connect to a US-based server. Once connected, sign up for YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com using a US payment method or gift card. After subscribing, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Browse channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC to find live football games. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. Keep in mind that using a VPN may slightly affect speed, so choose a high-quality provider. Also, be aware of YouTube TV's terms of service regarding VPN usage. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV while abroad, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.